There, it's recording now.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, Lainey. Look. Let's open. Did you open this? And this one says,
Mommy!
My Little Princess.
Let me see. Aw.
A sister more like me. We read that book in Disney, remember?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Lainey, you got more presents. Here, look. What? Ooh.
Yeah, crap.
Come on, Dan.
Come on, you have more presents.
Come on, pretty girl.
Those are just shoes, huh? Yay, shoes! Shoes that match your sister's. Look, Lainey's got shoes just like yours, Danny.
Okay.
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 Oh, what kind of book is that?
I'm in that book.
That is a big book, and it's a frozen book.
Whoa.
Look. It's no monster. Ow.
Too heavy, too?
Here, wait. Let's look and see what this is. It's a looking find. Look, where you have to find things.
Ooh, that's one of Gummy's favorites.
Okay. Looking for it.
Yeah,
What is that?
looking fine.
Who's that?
There's Kristoff.
Anna and Kristoff. Yay. Cool.
Hold on, too. I didn't see.
Anna.
No, just
Anna.
Sven.
Sven?
No, Kristoff.
Kristoff
and Anna.
and Anna.
Kristoff and Anna.
She was saying Anna.
See what's in the red bags, Danny.
Well, Danny's still got more presents over there, hasn't she? That blue one?
Yeah, she's got a couple.
I got a present.
She's got a couple bags, too.
I got a present. I got a present.
Look.
Oh, I have a present.
We're
Oh,
going to spin this.
look what I found. It must have got dropped out of the bag on the way out the door.
Look, Danny.
Oh, wait. D-A-N-I-S?
Santa dropped some more. Look, it's Ariel.
Oh,
I
yay.
made you. I got every present. I made you, Mommy.
I what?
Wait, come here, look.
Every Christmas movie should have Mommy's bottom in it.
Look. This is the door he must have gone out because there's presents all the way out.
Whoa.
Well, this one's from Daddy.
Oh.
He must have grabbed that one too.
Wow.
Don't know what. Danny. That one looks like it's for Lainey. Good job. Since they're not labeled, we might have some trouble.
Is this from my daddy?
No, that one's from your fairy godmother.
Yep.
Looks like Santa brought presents from all over the world for that.
This is for me.
Whoa. And
Did you get that on video?
You might help her or just take pictures of her.
Come here.
now we know the wrong way to go up the slide. Oh, your battery's almost dead in this one.
There's your more
Look
battery.
at this. I
Okay, what do they say? Look, this one says Girl
Girl power.
got
How cool is that? And then this one says I love Stacy.
It says I love Stacy.
I am silently correcting your grammar.
That's too funny.
What's that one? that a dolly? I think bet you that one's for Lainey.
Yeah.
And then here, this one's from you.
We're gonna go up there and fall again,
Hold on,
aren't we?
Lainey. Let's pull it away from the...
Sorry for the coughing, kids. Cummy's got a cold.
What's that?
Look, she slid down.
Going, bud.
Where's Daddy's?
No. That one's Daddy's, but we're gonna open that one last, okay? Here. That's a book and a shirt. What does the shirt say? It says bow ties are cool. Look, Danny. Just like Dr. Who says.
Both guys are cool.
I think that's not. I think that was not Stacy. That was Laura. 'Cause this one's Stacy.
What's that?
That's a puzzle book.
Frozen puzzles?
I keep missing you going down that slide, Lainey. I'm sorry. Get on there again. I'll get you.
After we get this squared up, we can show her you can walk around and get on it, and then she won't fall over.
I know. As soon as we can pull it out, that'll be.
Here, Gumpa, come over here and open up this thing for her. With your knife, his trusty knife. This thing here. She's trying to get that out.
What's that?
Cat, it's something.
Well, it looks like it's a phone. I bet that's Lainey's too. Here. Thank you for opening Lainey's present. It's so good.
Lainey found a
Okay.
piece of tape.
Now.
Here, Lainey.
Carrie got it.
Boom, boom.
Remember Stacy?
I'll take a look at this. I'll open that for you, though. Let me get that out for you, baby.
What is that?
Play-Doh!
Is it Play-Doh?
Yes, squishy Play-Doh.
Squishy Play-Doh. Come on, let's see.
Stuck.
It's kinetic sand. That is going to be so much fun to play with. All right, let's move on. We've got so much more and only so much time on the camera. Come on, open up.
Yeah, battery's still flashing.
Come on. Want some help?
Look at there. See? Look, she thinks you're wonderful, Gumpa.
I'm going fast that can, Scooter.
What's it say?
There we go.
Oh, it says Hero Dad. Because their daddy's in the military just like your daddy.
This is Violet.
Hello.
that
Look at this. You talking to them? Who they want? Oh, it must be for Mommy.
Mommy.
Hello. Hi. Okay, here's Lainey.
What you got, Danny?
What's that?
Who's that?
Cinderella.
Cinderella?
Whoa. Cinderella, Cinderella, night and day. Cinderella.
Come on. You open this one, and then there's another one over there. You gotta get it.
Why won't you open them bags, them red bags? Isn't there stuff in there?
Yep.
Okay. There's just a lot still, so.
Okay.
Is this Daddy's now? Mommy, is this Daddy's?
No, we're opening Daddy's last.
Okay, I don't want the battery to be dead when you open Daddy's.
Okay, you're right. Well, there's another battery over there, so.
Okay, but I'll tell you when it's dead,
Okay.
and then stop her.
What's that?
Nerf. Ooh.
From your cousin.
Whoa. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. What, Mom?
Okay.
A gun.
Yeah, a gun.
I got a gun too, like Alex.
You do have a gun like Alex, yeah?
Oh.
Oh.
This is the best present ever.
Who got that?
Cousins.
Okay.
Cousins.
Come here.
Cousins.
No, this one's Daddy's, so we're gonna open that one later. Open what's in there. This one's from Mimi and Papa, or Gummy and Gumpa. Oh my goodness, look at that.
There's your tiara and your beautiful necklace.
Nope.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
There's your beautiful necklace.
Hey, my shoe.
You're wrong feet, Danny. You have one wrong feet. They don't fit as well that way.
Oh,
Here, sweetie, look. You have a beautiful necklace.
oh my goodness. Want some help there, Danny? Beautiful. You are beautiful. It's on backwards. Help her.
How do I open that?
You want to record and I'll help her?
I don't care.
How do I
I
open
want to know. I didn't get the instructions you got.
All I've been doing is holding it. But when that stops flashing, the battery is dead. There, sweetheart.
What else is in here? I know, I'm trying to put it on you. I just don't know. I can't figure out how to open it.
Comes out
Here,
like
why don't
this.
you look? Okay, you go ahead and hold on to that then. Come here. Look.
There's the necklace. Beautiful. Let's get your tiara on. And there's your tiara.
I know, honey. I will put it on you.
Mommy.
No, Mamie, come here. Look. Look.
There you go. You have earrings too somewhere.
Yeah, they're up there. Okay, all right. I thought this might be this. Okay. So now that she's gotten that
Whoa!
thing, she doesn't want anything until that's on her. But I can't figure out how to get, you know how to undo the clasps?